Rawhide. Sticky in hot weather. I love that fake leather. Naugahyde. That was terrible. That was in the wrong key. You're lower than I am.
That's because you're taller than I am. Karen Smile. Hello.
Hello.
We're
Bed monkeys.
We're bread monkeys. Bread box monkeys. Do people know what bigger than a bread box means anymore?
I hope so.
Do people have bread boxes anymore?
We do.
We do.
We don't have bread in it.
No. We have gluten-free pretzels and almonds.
And what is to the left of it?
Of the bread box? Yes, it's a monkey candy container with some ching, ching, ching.
And what's on top of it?
A thermometer, Tiny Dino, Tiny Dino's friend, Tiny Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Mm-hmm. And what's to the right of it on top of the microwave?
Is this like a test to make sure I don't have Alzheimer's or something?
Yes. And then we'll do the stroke test. Okay. To the right of it?
The vacuum sealer and old man opener. And leotard monkey.
Yes.
On his little chair. You may meet all of them at some point.
You might. And now the stroke test. The weather is nice.
What?
I don't think we're doing it right.
Have I had a stroke?
I think so.
Mad Mambo Dogface to the banana patch.
Yes.
Whee! You're pretty.
My
Okay, cool.
hands are cold. Let's see how cold my hands are.
No!
Come on, for the camera.
No!
I want them to see. Where should I touch him? Where should I touch you? Leg? Side?
No.
Leg?
Leg.
Okay. With my left hand, because this one's been on his face, slightly warmer.
Oh, your fingertips are so cold!
Now the back of the hand.
No! It burns!
Yeah, I know. It's cold for me too. I don't touch anything on me. Here, I touch my own hand now that I warmed it up on his leg.
Oh, there's still a cold spot.
I know. Okay. Oh, we haven't finished watching Westworld.
No.
Should we do the quotes? Our quotes from Westworld?
If I can remember them.
I am so cold that a gun from Westwood could kill me.
Westworld.
Westworld. I am so cold that a gun from
World.
You say it.
She is so cold that a gun from Westworld could kill her.
Yes. See if you figure that one out. Ha. Andy!
Yes?
What's in the bed?
Me!
Real
So
enthusiasm.
much for that segment.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know what's in the bed.
Well, I have lots of really awesome things to wear, mostly due to thrift stores, sometimes presents, and occasionally a garage sale. But there's some things I'm not exactly sure how to wear. They're harder to wear than others, and I've got some things in the bed. I'm gonna model them for you.
Okay.
This one was from a yard sale, and I wore it once. This one is, if you think I'm crazy, you should see my mother. I got it to wear in front of my mom. So that one, I could probably still wear. This one I got as a present, and it's extremely appropriate right now Don't look yet, Andy. Okay.
Hey!
But he's not always on that side of me, so, you know, it's sometimes hard to wear. I gotta make sure he's over there.
Wait, wait.
Oh, yeah. Here he goes. Now, this one is pretty cool.
Should I close my eyes again?
Oh, sure. All right. Stop staring. They don't talk. It's kind of an ironic t-shirt. Hey. Because I don't think anybody's staring. But I got it for like 50 cents, so it was pretty cool. And this is the one that I think is so awesome that I had to buy it. But it's like, it's totally vintage. It's probably from the 70s. But it would be nearly impossible for me to figure out where I could really wear this out in public. Okay. Like, this is gonna take some brass ovaries to be able to wear it, especially since, if you could tell, this is a tiny t-shirt. It does even, usually I think this ends in committee. I was the president of the committee in high school.
Yeah, the rhyming scheme
Yeah.
works better that way.
Yeah, but it fits. The itty bitty titty club kind of fits here. I guess committee, since this is such a small shirt, it
would go around on your back.
Wrapped around a little bit. So it is a very tight shirt, which makes anybody's itty bitty titties seem impressive. I suppose.
Well, then people would stare.
Yeah, and then I just have to wear this one on top of it.
Or pin it to the back.
Pin it to the back. But then this one kind of trumps everything. And that's what's in the bed. Are you going to read us an old vulgar joke?
Well, I don't know. It all depends on when you tell me to stop. Wait, I gotta start flipping. Okay.
Stop.
A woman driver ran over a cripple crossing the street. Horrified, she stopped and called, "Oh dear, what can I do to help?" "Just don't back up."
There's more on that page. Read another one.
We're going to read this one together.
Oh, yeah.
I'll be the pupil, you be the teacher. All right.
Okay.
"Me slept with Daddy last night."
No, I slept with Daddy last night.
"Must have been after me fell asleep, teacher."
Ew.
That's sick. Please.
We still not have heard back from Rip Taylor.
No.
I can't imagine he gets the piles of fan mail that he used to.
Did he used to?
I don't know.
Oh, what have I got?
See, you're still bored than I am. Now, come. Now your hair is way up. That's better. Wait.
Calm down.
You get all schnurly. Fix this.
You're bossy.
Yeah.
I'm with bossy. Karen,
Yes.
aside from bossy, name 3 nicknames you wouldn't care to have.
Cranky.
1.
Flatulette.
2. Warm.
Flatulette. And the smegmiter.
Isn't that one of the Transformers?
No. Oh, don't let him transform now!
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not coming out. Hey, Karen.
Yes, Andy.
You know what it's time for?
What?
Wet Willies.
No, it's not.
No.
Only if it's time for a Moist Myrtle.
No.
We made up a Moist Myrtle. Moist Myrtle is very similar to a Wet Willy, only you put your dampened finger in the belly button.
No, shields up.
Ow!
Ah, that's your knee. That makes up for the leg. Yeah.
Ah.
I busted your kneecap. Yeah, see?
Ah.
Yeah, bust the other one too. You keep looking at me like that.
Ah.
Why are you talking to me like that?
Ah.
What's the matter with you?
I got a very gangster cat. Meow. Meow. See? Meow. Meow.
Meow. Let the cat in.
Meow. See?
That's what you should be chasing.
The meow. See?
Yeah. See?
Mmm.
What?
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 I think we're tired.
I think so. Alright. Oh. Yeah, see you tomorrow, see? A woman driver ran over a cripple crossing the street. Oh,
Okay.
horrified, she stopped and called. Let me start that all over again.
Hello.
Okay.